What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are having such an amazing day, having a great Halloween weekend and a safe holidays. It's been a while since I've done a content like this, but ThreadBeast sent me $300 worth of stuff.
Boy, if you don't...
It's really interesting because they reached out to me on Instagram and we decided to do a collab, so I'm excited to present this to you guys. I've heard of this company way back when I started going into a little bit more fashion and lifestyle, like fashion and stuff like that. This is a video I want to share with you guys today of what they sent to me. I'm super excited because I don't know what is in this box necessarily. So, ThreadBeast is a subscription company. I'll put this right here so you guys can check this out. They have 3 tiers of package. Their MSRP package is usually $300, but it's $150 right now, so you guys can see that. So with the $150 package, you get 67 items. The Essential is $95 and you get 4 to 5 items. And then the Basic, you get 2 to 3. So they send it to you every single month, and then you get a package that comes to you that's tailored to your style and tailored to how you would basically like your fit. That is another thing I want to bring up right here too as well, so you guys can check that out. So super easy, you hit get started, you'll select your style here from anything goes, casual, relaxed, and crisp and clean. For me, I'm gonna go ahead and do the anything goes because, you know, I don't mind having a variety in my wardrobe. Next is gonna be on the color scheme. So I'm typically, like you can see, I'm very muted. I like my single color. Sometimes I'll wear graphic tees and etc. But like most of the time I would say it's usually muted color. So I chose the muted. And section 3, skinny, slim, straight, or relaxed straight. Now the cool thing about this is because they get these partnerships from these other companies. As you can see, they have PacSun, Tilly, Zoomies, H&M. After that, what's your top size? Typically, I am a medium. Waist size, I'm a 29, so obviously it goes through that list. What's your inseam size? And then if preferred inseam is not available, would you still like to receive pants that have the inseam larger than what it's been selected? Now again, shoe size, 7.5, went forward. What's your height? 5'6". Weight, 150. Now, this is really cool because it asks what's your Instagram handle. It is Dailykeny, so that is what I typed in, Dailykeny. And then it's gonna ask you for email information and phone number. So I'll just go ahead and skip over to that here real quick. It's gonna ask for your date of birth. Send us your style request. So this is where they'll accommodate what you like and what you typically would wear. Obviously, I'm not too picky, so I went ahead and skipped, but if you guys have a certain preference, I would definitely say comment on that box here. After that, after you finish, boom, all 14 steps is done, your profile is created. That's when you can go ahead and select your budget. Let's get started though, because I know that is what you guys have been waiting on. This. All right. I haven't seen on feet in so long. This is a bomber jacket. With it, this is sick. Jeans. Okay, straight fit. Thank you so much again for tuning into my ThreadBeast unboxing and haul. I hope you guys found a lot of value to this content. Now, if you guys have any questions, hit me in the comment section. But with that being said, I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have such an amazing holiday season. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you guys later. Aiko! There you are. All right, guys. You guys have a wonderful holiday season. Aiko and I are gonna check out. I'll see you guys later.